up, you guys? It's your girl Taina, and this is Taina Tries. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're ancient, welcome back. Either way, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. And then attack G to A and B with 2.
Oh, babe.
Avec bisous. Non, mais est-ce que c'est pas ça, ouais? Dis-moi, merci. Ouais, l'autre qui est au maquillage. So the bed is finally finished. About time. It only took about 2 or 3 lifetimes. But I have a dilemma. I thought the drawers were gonna go on one side. So now I have to decide whether or not I want my bed in the corner and lose a drawer, or put it somewhere in the middle and have access to a drawer. But we're gonna figure that out. And since my mattress isn't coming until Monday, even though they said it was gonna be delivered on Friday, we're fine. I will be sleeping here tonight, which is honestly just like straight, like 8 inches of memory foam. Hiya. Okay, so it's Monday night and my mattress is finally here, even though it was supposed to get here on Friday night, but we digress. I'm super excited to finally open it. I don't know how much I trust a mattress in a box situation. My dad is 100% against it, but we'll see. I ended up going with Nectar just because they have they give you a trial period of 265 days. So if after a year I don't like it, I should be able to return it. We'll see. But yeah, it's here. But it's gonna take like 24 hours, I think, for it to inflate fully. So I won't be sleeping on it tonight, but come tomorrow night though. What is this? Open me first. Ugh, I mean, I guess. Alright, let's do this. That went according to plan. Oh no. Oh no. That's not that good. Ooh. Oh my lord. Alright then. Wait, I need my instructions. Oh no, not the instructions. Oh no. What do I do? I found them. Okay. How do I do it? Real quick, how do I do it? No, stop expanding. I'm not ready. Oh no. Wait. No more expanding. Okay. No. Wait till I get you on the bed. Is this still the outer plastic? What is happening? Is it upside down? Is that possible? I think it's upside down. So I went shopping again, which surprises absolutely nobody, only because I realized that I have a lot of wall. Like, the bigger the room, the more walls you have, and I need to fill that space up. I don't need to, but I want to. So I went shopping today, and I bought a couple things, okay? So my favorite thing, though, is this right here. I think it's so cute, and I think it's gonna look amazing on like the navy blue wall. I'm thinking about putting it on the wall that I plan on using as like my background for my videos. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that yet, but I think it's freaking adorable, and I absolutely love it. And then I got this little thing from Five and Below, which is just kind of like where you can stick pictures and it kind of holds pictures in place. I think it's super cute. It has like the gold detailing that we're going for. Then I got this sign that's kind of like it kind of acts like a dictionary definition of what faith is. And it says, the assurance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen, and that's Hebrews 11 verse 1. It's adorable. I also got these shelves. Now here's the thing. I'm not a huge fan of the idea of putting holes in my newly bought walls. So I don't know if there's a way to put these shelves on. Like, I bought these command hooks that are supposed to be for like pictures because they have like that little thing. And I'm hoping I can use, I got 2 of these. I'm hoping I can use, oh, there's 2 shelves. I needed 4. But then when I went, there are also smaller versions of this. I'm gonna see if I can find smaller versions of this because I think the smaller versions will work better. But I really, really do not want to poke holes in my walls, you guys. I don't want to. So we're gonna do everything we can to not have to do that. I might use this for the flower thing. Okay. And then I also got just this this is like clear picture frame for the caricature that I use. Like if you like see the intros to my videos, there's always like that caricature of me. I'm gonna frame that caricature because I was very proud of myself when I finally figured out how to get that image on a video. So we're framing that bad boy. We're gonna have that for a minute. And then some other stuff that's not really room related. I got an alarm clock. The idea will be to leave my phone on the other side of the room. But I also like to know what time it is in the middle of the night. Like I hate waking up and not being able to know what time it is. So hopefully that works. And then just some other room stuff. And yeah, I'm excited to put things up. Oh, it's gonna look so cute. Okay, so I tried, but this is just not working. There's not enough space. So I got me a new desk and I'm excited to start setting it up. Oh wow, that looks like a lot. Well, looks like the gang's all here. So let's get started. Okay, but whose idea was it to not have words with the instructions? I'm sorry. What is this? What is this? There are no words. Like good friends should. Go ham. Let's get it. So well too, but I put this on wrong. These holes should be on the other side, but I can't take it off because I screwed this one on way too tight and I can't unscrew it, so now I gotta wait for my peeps to get home. I was so gonna finish this by myself too. Oh my goodness. Taina, get it! After way more trips to TJ Maxx and Marshalls than anybody should ever have to make, in 2 months since we bought the house, my room is finally finished.